In February 2026, Develop Africa shipped 350 STEM kits to Smart Start Academy in Sierra Leone, courtesy of the partnership between Develop Africa and NEXGEN STEM. One of the teachers, Mr. Mohammed, noted that they have been teaching biology abstractly, but these kits will aid them shift to a more practical approach.
I am Mohammed Espesima, the biology teacher. I am more excited, especially when I saw the kits, which will aid us to teach our children, because in many years, people are just teaching biology in the abstract. When we are now teaching biology, practical aspects, we will now take use of these materials to teach our children.
Today, one of the science teachers at Smart Start Academy is demonstrating reflection, refraction, and conversion of solar energy to heat energy to the students with the aid of these kits.
As we learned from our junior sector, that we have various forms in which energy can be converted from. So we are in the sun, we are experiencing what we call as solar energy. So we are going to learn how to convert this solar energy into different forms. Remember, solar energy can be converted into electrical energy. Solar energy can be converted into heat energy. This afternoon, we are learning how to convert the solar energy into what we call heat energy. Now, if you can go back to our kit box, we have what we call here white carbon. This one, we call it as white carbon. Of course, you can check in your boxes of which your apparatus are found within. You can see that we have what we call the white carbon. Then in the box as well, we are also having what we call black carbon. So these two carbon papers are what we'll be using in order for us to experiment, to learn and understand exactly how this energy can be converted from one form to the other. Now, we are talking of reflections and that of refraction. When we talk of reflection, it's the throwing up of incident rays from the source. We are getting reflections from the sunlight. When the sunlight is being penetrated on the surface of the white carbon, it will now transfer the reflected light, that is the incident light being received from the sun. It now gets to absorb it and transfer it onto the black carbon, the black carbon we are having within. You may be curious to know about the functions of the white carbon. The white carbon here can attract solar radiation. It attracts the reflections from the sunlight and then send it here into the white carbon. So the white carbon here absorbs the energy from the white carbon, that is the solar energy being inserted into the white carbon. It's how we're going to transfer it into what? The black carbon. In the sense that the black carbon will absorb much more heat than the white carbon. Have you got that? Yes, have you actually got that?
Yes. Thank you NEXGEN STEM for providing these kits to the students in Sierra Leone.